Ekiombe gia Gusii Councils of Elders nigo bachire amo na kogendera kogikelia chimbwa chimbe ekyo cheturene chinga kibuna gosambwa kwa bantu abakagerwa boborogi nabo igo chisegi chegenka nabo igo gati yayande bakoragwa no munyakerogo obo araka matundra nigo babolire gotalira chiwodi elinego semia abagusii Molikito Evelyn Osero na mange.
Ekiombe kia Gusii Culture and Development Council nigo kiagikeire bororo chimbwa chimbe asegesa ku Omogusii. Ayamayaga yebikoro ao gati yabo gusarigwa kwa bana banyaruka ogusambwa kwa banto asogokagerwa kwa babarogi kwerusia obomoyo amarita mapema egati ebinde binke ebyo byarokanire asorogongo rwa Gusii ebyo batebire bikoreto bosoku asegesa ku Omogusii.
Na wase waliosema hawataki kusikia hiyo tena. Tutumie njia zote kuona hayo mambo hayaendi njia hiyo. Tumeona ni mbaya na wameweka njia tunaenda kufanya. Na tunataka kutafuta kihini ni kwa nini haya yote yanafanyika.
Gokwana asege karobatu areme mochi obosongo munyakerogobo matundraraka niga kwanerege korokyo mwana Junior Sagini na goteba ne yogogeche mono.
Watoto mmoja anaitwa Sagini alitolewa na macho. Hiyo kitu kimehuti hawa wazee na mama, kimewahuti sana na kimewakera kabisa hata nyumbani kwao huko. Na wakaona leo wakuje waongee wakiwa hapa. Yule alitenda ama walitenda mambo haya ya huyu mtoto, tumegwarani kwa njia ya Kisii kabisa.
Matundrani gaine kiabuna ambacho gutumeka chinchara chionsi chibwenerete eryo korora amangana bunaya aikiromo eryo.
Kwa hivyo tutatumia kanisa kuona tumesuluhisha haya maneno. Tulisema hiyo tutaongea hata kwa mashule, tutatafuta kila mbinu tuone mambo haya yameingia kwa watu wetu kabisa kwa njia zote. Tunataka kutafuta njia ya kwenda kwa hizi wards, tuongee na wananchi kwa karibu ile. Tuwe karibu na wananchi, tuongee kwa ward, tutaongea kwa sub counties siko 16. Tuongea hapo.
Omoriki intenenerabu ekiombe omwasatai nigenseme ndatebo buna nigo bagocho gutumeka chinchara nabo igo chiobis chibwenerete eryo korwa basemia asabasae.
We want to use the media because the media will reach our people in a more fast way. We'll also use our cultural office in Kisii to sensitize or to educate the youths who are within town so that they get to know how Omogusii came up, grew up, and whatever is expected of Omogusii. We also want the church intervention in matters of family life, in matters pertaining how people should behave in their families. They want to also use the provincial administration because they have the authority. That is right from the stand chief, the chief, and the DCC.
Niga kora sogoteba buna chisegi ase county ya Nyamira na Kisii nigo chirachiwe ikomorio.
The Kisii county wrangles, the Nyamira county wrangles, the elders have unanimously passed a resolution that they should not be seen anymore. In the event of anything, let them go in-house, sort them out. If failure to do that, then our chairman will come up and call his executive committee to deliberate on the same so that we have 2 counties running smoothly without any issues.
Nebikore byarokanire koreta obosoko bonene na monoko irane inse egesaku Omogusii. Go reporter egeta seni kia Ndizi TV, Erietariane Evelyn Osero.